What a go on Jamaica? Listen up, me tell you. What a go on my people, coming up in this video, so Aunty Donna went to her live and I said that somebody are threatening her my people and send threats to her, you understand? And you know the threat thing, you have to take it serious my people. So Aunty Donna make the people them know say yo, whosoever have that there screen recording, if you send it to her, you understand my people, so she can do a properly investigation and find out the person at who. Because nowadays you can't take shit light in the people. So as somebody threatening your life, you have to try to deal with it fast as possible, you understand? So my viewers and subscribers, as usual, leave some like on the video now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. Now make we hear Aunty Donna officer.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Aunty Donna here for a brief 2 minutes before we move off. I want you guys to share this live. Just come out of some meeting. There's a live. I don't know about it, I don't see it. But it was brought to my attention and I need that live ASAP. There's a live where persons are confessing to wanting to out me or to kill me. I need anybody on social media that can send that live to 999-6822-5600-710-472 6700. I need that live ASAP. I cannot get that live because I am not on those persons' page. Tell them to come. Give me 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, yes. So if anybody have that live, can you please urgently, please send me that live, screen record it, and send it to 5600-710, 999-682-472-6700. Urgent. Let me just get it today, please. Send that live to Aunty Donna, please, and thank you. All right? Have a blessed day. Aunty Donna is asking that anybody have the live, that screen record, and I'm asking everybody, my admin can't do it alone. I'm going to have to get back somebody else to take down some live for me. I need all live. But this specific live, I need it urgently. If any blogger have it, Aunty Donna is just asking that you send the links to 472-6700, 999-680, and 5600-710. Alright?
Some viewers and subscribers, we all see what going on with Lady P and Ivany. Right now, Lady P make a video and I say Ivany are mad over her old BMW, my people. Lady P also talk something. Oh, Ivany reach in America, my people. Enough people good and never know same way. And I talk a bad thing about her private part and thing, my people. You understand? She has see how as Ivany coming to America. 3 weeks time she get belly and thing, my people. Boy, me I tell her, me don't know when the saga will stop my viewers and subscribers. Anyway, pre the video.
Is it the old BMW that you're going crazy for? It's not new brand, I need to practice car. Check me back 3 years time when I buy my new brand Range Rover. You know what I mean? You're gonna say you can't wait to buy your house, honey. When you buy your house, I'm gonna buy 10 houses. Remember, nothing beat ambition. Remember, honey, nothing beat ambition and hardworking people. So when you're gonna compete with your size. Go and look at another beggar and TikTok to compete with, okay? But don't compete with Lady P because we're not in the same class or category, bitch. We're not in the same class or category. No, get your driver's license. I think I'm pregnant. And if I'm pregnant, guess what? TikTok not going to take care of this baby. You know what I mean? Because the father has to. The father has to stand his responsibility. His father has to. You're the only person that came to the bottom. Shit. You're the only person that came through the border and come and get pregnant in 3 weeks' time. Honey, I came on the plane and I come to see papers, you come to see baby. There's a big difference. Now, I got to calm down because I live in a residential area. You know what I mean? I'm not looking for no Bella or no Edward, as what you say.
Some viewers and subscribers, me run across a little video with Beenie man and say, yo, the bloggers them always a talk about him and a talk bad, but anytime I go, the bloggers them not talk about him, my people. So I kind of feel a way still, you understand, because for real and truly, 1 and 2 times we find 2 bloggers talk good things about Beenie man, you see my people. So I really understand what Beenie man is saying, and that the sense is still my people, you understand. But not every blogger stays so still. But listen what Beenie man has to say still, my viewers and subscribers.
It's all about keeping yourself in the right way. It's all about keeping yourself in the right trend. Some people not giving a strength, like none at all. Like everything you do, them try to broke them. Everything you say, them try to make it know say, yeah, that not work. No, everything you do, music work in every ways, every day, every time, every minute, every moment. It's not about what you say. It's what about the people say. It's what about people love. It's what about people full joy. This is music, Dread. Get them to stop fight the music, Dread. Stop. Because there's nothing you can do to stop the music. And stop the music where it's going. And stop the music where it's coming from. It's not for you to do it, Dread. You see me? Alright. Judge it. Everything Beenie man do, the blogger them have something to say. Everything wrong, them have something to say. Everything bad, them have something to say. Everything that somebody else say, them have something to say. But now we have a nice album. Them not nothing to say.
Some viewers and subscribers, the last thing you go look on in this video here. So this a brother here now, him come from Jamaica, but he must say boy, him left Canada and come back to Jamaica, and the worst choice that he making in life, my people. Cause right now a sufferation lick him. Him say he got a shop to go buy one loaf of bread, my people, and it cost him like $150 for the loaf of bread, and the people him say nah give me if him not have it, my people. So right now he must say better when stay in Canada, cause Jamaica hard and rough. And people that think say a joke you want make when a serious thing. The man say you're right now in life, tough, rough. You better when you stay in Canada. And we know how many people in Jamaica go to other foreign countries trying to find better life, my people. You understand? But them claim to say they make a money and come back a yard. And I tell you so when them the money they done, my people, a different thing. Them sorry say them come home, you see me? But if you hear what I'm say still my viewers and subscribers, leave your honest thoughts in the comment section.
Right now, I just regret some of the left Canada come at this place here. And I struggle now. See it there? The one money when I go work and sit down and come back to buy a little vehicle. The money get teeth up. Boy, it's stressing out here and I rain and hungry no easy, brother. Zane, I go a shop with $100. Some more quarter bread. The people ain't say $150 for quarter bread. And they couldn't even give me bread, brethren. Even though a business them are run, right? And for all that, I talk about say, oh, my phone charge and whatever. See, my power bank serve up to 1 week. Then people in a nice hotel Jamaica, brethren. Me don't know who can volunteer. We send me go to the Western Union in the morning because nothing really going for me, brethren. See it there? Me get notice already for people in property, you know, they must say, oh, it look like some me not go pay. My mama tell me say a $5 a week and today I went. So they might look out for their money. Right now, me don't know me I go make ends meet in this.